Introducing the Osaki OS-Champ. As the roller system massages the neck area, it continues through to the lower back and then proceeds to massage the glutes and upper hamstrings. Osaki OS-Champ features 2 stages of zero gravity that offer 2 different reclined angles. Space-saving technology only requires 9 inches from the chair to the wall to recline. The OS-Champ is designed with 18 airbags, which are located in the shoulder, the arm, the calf, and the foot area. The OS-Champ has 2 spinning reflexology massage rollers located on the bottom of the feet that provide a soothing, kneading style application. The OS-Champ has 2 heating pads located in the lumbar area. It offers the heat therapy, which is a great complement to the roller and airbag massage. The Osaki OS-Champ is equipped with Bluetooth technology that allows the user to listen to their favorite music on high-quality speakers, which are located in the headrest. The Osaki OS-Champ has 5 auto massage programs, which use all of the features to provide a massage with a purpose. You have the relax mode, the stretch mode, an upper back, a lower back, and a demo mode. Win the day, every day, with the Osaki OS-Champ.